Hello everyone, welcome to chapter 8, which is my listings page, and today we're gonna create this page for our website. So the first thing that we're gonna follow the same process that we've been following before. So create a URL, a view, and a template. So just go to urls.py and let's create the path to my listings page. Just gonna copy paste and then just change a few things. And everything is gonna be named my listings, and then you'll get an error saying that the module is not present, and that's because we haven't created the view yet. So go ahead and go to views.py, and let's just add a comment here, my listings page, and then we'll just create the view for my listings. For the my listings page, you will see all the listings for now, but later on when we add a user, then we'll add a particular listings of each user, because you don't want to see everyone's listings, you just want to see your own listings, right? Well, for now we're just doing this, so let me just finish typing this and then I'll explain what I'm doing here. Or maybe I'll just copy paste this just to make it quicker. And we're just getting the listings from newest to oldest. That's why we have the minus sign here. So in inverse order, so get the listings in inverse order. And again, this will be all the listings. Once we create the users app, then we will assign the listings of that particular user, because that's what we want. We don't want to see all the listings of all the people. So now let's go to templates and let's create the my listings template. And for that one, so here you just have the folder tree. So that one is a little bit long, so I'm just gonna copy paste that one. I just copied my listings.html, whatever was in that template, I just copied it here. And this is just like a nice table that we will be able to display on the page. And again, we passed, so let's go back to views.py. As you can see, we passed my listings, which is that one is the data that we want in the template. So then we create a variable for this loop. So this is an empty variable, which is gonna hold the data for every time that we iterate through the loop. So my listings, which has all the data that we want, and then we choose to display whatever like the title, the list date, or whatever we want to display from that listing. So in this case, we just want the title and when it was listed. And then we have added also a URL which takes you to more details about that listing. And for that, you have to pass the ID, my listing.id. You pass my listing again because that's the variable that holds the data now. And then we have two more buttons, which is edit and delete, but those won't be activated just yet. And then finally, we have also added a way to create a new listing. So we only want users who have signed up to create new listings. We don't want everyone just to start creating listings without having signed up. That's why we have added the button of new listing here, because this page, the my listings page, will be shown to you only if you have signed up. So you can only create listings if you have signed up. So for now, we don't have a users app yet, so this is just like the groundwork for what's to come. So let's just leave it at that, and you can review. Here we have extended the listings base.html, which has the nav bar, and finally we're gonna go to the nav bar, and we're gonna add the my listings so that we can access this page. For now, of course, we'll remove it later on. So let's go to base.html, and then just let's replace the new listing for my listings, because we have added the new listing. We have added it to the my listings page. my listings, and then we have to change this. Okay, so then you just save, and just make sure you save the changes. You can just stop the server and then just run it again, just to make sure that the changes take effect. And then let's just refresh here. As you can see, now you have my listings, and if you click on it, you would be able to see all the listings again, because there is no users yet, so we cannot give you like a particular listing for a particular user yet. So as you can see, you have this listing, and we have them from newest to oldest. So this one was listed on October 14th 2021, and you have the time, view, edit, delete. These two are not activated, they won't take you anywhere, but this one you can see the details about that listing. It will take you to the details of that listing again. And we have added the button to add the new listing here. So if you click on it, you'd be able to create listings. And again, we'll restrict this so it would be only shown to users who have signed up. So this is again another short chapter. You have the quiz here, the challenge, and the answer sheet. Alright, that's all for today. For the next chapter, we have the edit listing page. Thank you.